Hello, welcome to another video. Umut here. Today I'm going to work on my art journal. I use Dilutions for now. And I'm going to start doing some background embossing with these beautiful stamps. And I'm going to use the feathers. These stamps are from InLoveArts shop, which I used before. And I'm going to leave the link down below for you to access the shop. I also have a discount code down below for you to buy things cheaper for my viewers. So don't forget to use the code. You see it up in the screen as well. Their prices are really economical for the products they offer. And also they have a big sales going on still. So don't forget to check it out. While I was talking, I just stamped the feathers in different directions using my Versamark ink, and I'm going to emboss it with a black embossing powder. This is from Paper Mania, but a lot of brands have a black embossing powder. I'll just cover my feathers, and I'm going to just get rid of these lines that appeared here and there with a dry brush. And then I will start working on my background colors. For today I'm using neon colors. I haven't used neon colors before, but let's do it. It's a lot of fun and they are very bright. So I have two brands, Amsterdam acrylic paints and Daily Rowney acrylic paints in different colors of fluorescent paints. These are normal acrylic paints and they are heavy body. So I'm going to make a background with all these colors, and I'm going to paint them side by side. I haven't covered my page with gesso. I didn't feel I need to do it because the page is quite thick. It's mixed media paper, and I'm not going to do any fuss, move the paint or do something that I need the gesso to be at the back. So I went for the laziness and didn't do it. I'll just color my page with all these colors one next to each other to create a really colorful background. So I'm using neon yellow, green, pink, red and blue. And I'm just repeating the process for the next page as well. I use these feathers in black because I like the contrast when you use very strong colors. Neons are very strong, so it even makes it stronger if you contrast it with white or black. So in this case we are contrasting it with black, and I have other plans for top of the page which you will see now. That's why I didn't cover the upper part with feathers. I'm using this Deco Art Americana black mixed media paint because it's fluid. And I'm going to just spray some water for the black paint to just drip down. And because the upper side of the page will be totally black now, contrasting with all those colors, the feathers help to balance everything being black at the bottom of the page. So it creates some nice scenery and also interest. Plus it gives us a balance. All I'm doing is making the paint a little bit more fluid, spraying water and making it drip down, creating a nice and interesting texture with all those paint that goes down. And when it's dry, it looks like this. This is one of the dies I got from InLoveArts shop as well, and it's really versatile. There are 3 circles with different elements, leaves, hearts, circles, and these. I'll just cut them with my Sizzix machine and show you how they look. Really nice, very elegant and intricate. So I love them, and they are very versatile. You can use them in many projects in different formats. For example, I would do tags with them because you can just use it, put a sentiment inside or attach flowers on the side. So I have more plans with these. I love intricate die cuts that gives you these beautiful thin lines. Meanwhile, I'm just coloring them with the same 4 colors that I used on my page. I actually used 5 including pink, but I just need 4 for my sentiment, so it goes perfectly with the dyes. And I eliminated pink because red and pink are similar, and I like the color of red more. So I color all these with these 4 neon paints I used at the background. And also I colored all these little papers because I'm going to die cut also the alphabet according to my sentiment. These letters are also from InLoveArts shop, and I quite like them. I used it in my other project as well. I will also link my other project I did for InLoveArts shop up on the cards and down at the description area, so you can see other products. And I really think we need the contrast of white for some interest as well. So I'm watering down gesso and using different brushes to do some splashes. And I'm just splashing it with my hand to make some lines as well, splashed lines. And I changed the direction of my book to change the direction of these splashes. After it's dry, I'm just sticking all these circles on the upper side of the page where I have the black contrast, so that there are the same colors down and there are the same colors up with these circles. As you see, it creates a perfect balance. And I just love looking at these bright colors. I die cut the sentiment that I want to use, which is live life in color. Not a surprise, it had to be about color. In different colors that I'm going to just place inside the circles. And I selected which color according to a contrast that they could create. So inside green I'm using blue, inside the red I'm using yellow, inside the blue I will use green, and then inside yellow I will use red. This way they all stand out individually, and also the sentiments stand out because they are different colors and they kind of contrast within each other too. I am sticking all these letters with matte medium. I love this alphabet die too. It's very versatile again. I can write whatever I want in very nice letters, and I can color it with whatever I want as well. I love this colorful page really. I'm just going to draw a nice and thin border with my black Faber-Castell marker just to seal the deal and put my frame all around the page. And I will call this page done. Here is a close-up look to how it looks. I love the colors and brightness of it. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed creating it. Don't forget to check out the products and use the code. And here are some close-up pictures of the project. Please don't forget to subscribe, like or comment if you like my videos, so you can know when I am posting a new one. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.